So in the meantime, sir, what would you like to say to that response जो अभी मिला, sir? Thunderous response.
Yeah, when we get this kind of response, usually we don't respond. No, we just sit and enjoy it fully. The response is what we have been waiting for, like almost 3 years now, and just waiting for these kind of moments. We make films for these kind of moments, and it is fantastic.
And is it true, sir, that nobody else had seen the trailer aaj se pehle? Because a little birdie told me that. Is it true?
No. I mean, we released it. We had to release it because we were playing in the theaters and some of the images leaked. So we had to play it. But yes, of course, you are the first people to watch it on the big screen.
Yes, we are the first people. We are the lucky ones. We are the chosen ones. Please have a seat, sir. Okay, before I open the house for media interaction, Alia, this one's for you. As I said, ek nari sab pe bhari. You're just killing it in that frame. जैसी आपकी entry होती है. What do you have to say on that? And this amazing mix of the crew, the amazing people here on stage.
मैं obviously अपनी खुद की entry के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. But honestly, it's a magical moment for me. It's just being a part of Rajamouli film spectacle. Oh my God! Like I don't think I would have ever expected this to actually come true, and it did. So thank you for that, sir. And yeah, I'm just awaiting now the people's response and waiting for the film to release. I can't, like, after seeing the trailer, I have like fallen off my chair.
Right.
So yeah, I can't wait for the film to release.
Talking about the response, और क्या चाहिए? कुर्ते फड़वाओगे आप यहाँ पे? Like it was mind blowing जो हल्ला गुल्ला हुआ है. You know, it was amazing. Ajay sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, आपके entry पे sir special हल्ला गुल्ला वहाँ से हुआ. कौन चिल्ला रहा था? We have some amazing fans here. So what do you have to say about this collaboration?
I'm just very grateful. I mean, क्या कहूँ मैं? बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Love you all too. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसा response मिलता है. Obviously इसी वजह से तो हम काम करते हैं. इसी के लिए तो हम काम करते हैं. So thank you so much.
है ना? हमारे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ.
तो ये है कि अभी हमने आपका एक सॉन्ग देखा, जननी, इतना मेस्मराइजिंग, इतना खूबसूरत कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ उसका एक्सपीरियंस. राजामौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत अलहदा है, ये तो हम जानते हैं, बहुत अलग तरह का है. लेकिन आप खुद एक डायरेक्टर हैं, तो डायरेक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको उनकी क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अपील की, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव?
राजामौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो अलग नहीं है, वो एक ही सिनेमा है, इनका ही सिनेमा है. सिर्फ कोई और उस किस्म का सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश करता भी होगा तो आई थिंक बहुत मुश्किल है अचीव करना. सो इनकी सोच बहुत बड़ी के अलावा बिल्कुल अलग है. एंड आई रिमेंबर हिम टेलिंग मी, और बहुत अर्दी है. और इन्होंने मुझे एक बात बताई थी, ये इन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स की स्टडी कहाँ से की है, और हर रोज़ ये हर नए किस्म की नए वर्जन की एक महाभारत पढ़ते हैं. और महाभारत एक ऐसी है कि उसमें दुनिया का कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं बचा जो उसमें नहीं है. आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर पकड़ लीजिए दुनिया के किसी कोने से, वो वहीं से निकला हुआ होगा. सो आई थिंक वो जो कैरेक्टराइजेशन करते हैं और वो जो उस हिसाब से सोचते हैं और कैरेक्टर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचते हैं, आई थिंक इट इज़ फैबुलस.
Hi, sir. Over here, straight. I have two questions, one for Rajamouli sir and one for NTR sir. This is Himesh from Pink Villa.
Hi, Himesh.
Hi, sir. Firstly, the trailer looks outstanding, so congratulations on that. Rajamouli sir, my first question to you is, NTR sir is actually known to be fire in Telugu cinema, and Ramcharan sir is known to be the ice. And you have cast them as a contrast over here. So could you tell us the idea behind casting the two of them as fire and ice in a contrasting way?
To tell it commercially, if I show them how the other directors have shown them, then I won't be special. So I want to be special, and so I. But see why I chose them for that characters is the characterization itself, right? There are certain aspects of Bhim that can be portrayed only by NTR. there are certain portions, certain characteristics of Ram that can be portrayed only by Charan. So the characters made me choose them for their roles rather than their images.
Hi, this is Isha Chavla.
This is Manara Chopra.
Hi, this is Kartikeya. నేను డైరెక్టర్ తేజ అని.
Press the bell icon for more updates.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDreams. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And you're watching iDream Media.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream Media.
Do subscribe to iDream Media.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button below.
Don't forget to subscribe to iDream.